Hey guys, it's Matt Hatter 2977 and I am back for another video. I'm sorry that I haven't posted in a while. I've been on a bit of a hiatus there. Haven't been feeling the best, but things are on the up and up and we're going to see where this video goes. So today the topic is Revelation 13:18. Why did I choose that verse? Well, it has the infamous 666 mentioned. So we're going to try and decipher it and see if we can find if 666 is truly the number of the beast. So let's see. Now, as you can see, there's numbers on top of these words. Are there numbers on top of these words? Well, for those that don't know, it's called Gematria. You assign letters a numerical value, and that gives words a numerical sum as well. So basically, you see here that the letter A is marked off. Now, why do I have the letter A marked off? If you're asking. A while back, I was watching an interview on Occult Empire, and they were discussing a topic called thelema. They were talking to Mark Passio, and about an hour and 30 minutes in, the topic is 666. And he states that 666 is the number of man, not the number of a man, and that this is a mistranslation. I'll post a link to the interview for those interested. Now, basically, what I did was I used Gematria, and Gematria is assigning numerical values to letters. And when you build a word, you get a numerical sum. Now, I calculated it first with the letter A included, and it came to 532, the total. So 21 to 14, all these numbers added up equal 532. Now, in occult numerology, they like to add mirrors. So the mirror of 532 is 235, but that totals 767. That doesn't look like 666 to me. So I dove into it a little bit deeper, and I removed the A and redid the values, which wasn't much of a big math problem here, because the letter A equals 1. So instead of 532, you get 531. Now 531 plus 135 does equal 666. I thought that was pretty neat, because if this is correct, and this is a mistranslation, then 666 is not the number of a man, not the number of one person, but the number of us all. Now I also want to dive into it a little bit deeper. If you notice here, 13 times 18 equals 234, and 234 plus its mirror 432 is 666 again. So 666 is subliminally placed within that verse 3 times. So 666 times 3 is 1,998. I thought that was pretty interesting. I also counted how many letters and how many words and how many vowels were used within that verse, both with the A and without the A. With the A, it came to 201. Now, 201, it did stand out, but I still don't know the reference to it. There has to be a reason why that letter A is placed within that verse. But without the A, I recognized the number immediately. It was the number 198. 198 I recognize because it's the second multiple of 99. Now, as you can see here, 99 times 2 is 198, times 3 is 297, times 4 is 396, times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8, times 9. They're mirrors. So 198, 891, 297, 792, 396, 693, 495, 594. They're mirrors. Another thing that I noticed was within this set of multiplication, 297, I have big here, because the second letter of the alphabet is B, the ninth letter of the alphabet is I, and the seventh letter of the alphabet is G. Big. 396 is a well-known solfeggio frequency. Another thing about 396 is I believe in Pythagorean numerology, 396 actually represents the sun. Now, 495. What's the fourth letter of the alphabet? It's D. What's the ninth letter of the alphabet? It's I. And what's the fifth letter of the alphabet? It's E. Die. Now, 495 pops up everywhere. I'll show some examples here in a second. Here's one example where 495 pops up. If you take the numbers 45 and add to 54, so 45 plus 46 plus 47 plus 48 plus 49 plus 50 plus 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus 54, it equals 495. And it's directly in the center of all these other calculations, which I'm not going to go over today. But as you can see, I basically added, here's 1 to 9, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9, 45. 9 to 18, 18 to 27, 27 to 36, 36 to 45, 45 to 54, 54 to 63. I did a lot of calculations here to get to the set. I also noticed another code that popped up here, 163199, 136163199, 136163199, 136163199. There's something special about that. We'll get into that a little later. Now, as you can see here, using the septenary cipher, Lord Jesus Christ. So, Lord equals 13, Jesus equals 27, Christ equals 32. Now, when you break these down to their digital roots, so 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5. You get 495 again. 495 pops up everywhere. I don't even know where to start with 495. But let's get back to the 767 number right down here. And that's with the letter A included. Now, I didn't know what to do with 767 because this was the first time that I came across it. And I was kind of stuck with it. So I played around with some other things for a while and seen what I came up with. Now, remember how I was talking earlier about how I was watching the interview on the topic of thelema with Mark Passio? In that interview, that's the one that stated that it's not the number of a man, but the number of man. So, in thelema, their motto is, do what thou wilt shall be the whole of the law. Love is the law, love under will. Using simple gematria, which is A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, D equals 4, and so forth and so forth, it totals 767. Now, where did we see 767 before? We've seen it in Revelation 13:18. So that's twice that we found 767 when it's in reference to the number 666. So I was playing around with Roman numerals because I was bored. And what you see here are the Roman numerals for the number 70 until the number 78. Now, why do I have those numbers here? Well, because if you take the numbers 70 plus 71 plus 72 plus 73 plus 74 plus 75 plus 76 plus 77 plus 78, it equates to 666. So you see the Roman numerals for 70 to 78. Now, using simple gematria, which is A equals 1, B equals 2, so forth and so forth, L is the 12th letter of the alphabet, X is the 24th, and we get 24 again, for a value of 60. I did this all the way down and added them up. So 60 plus 69 plus 78 plus 87 plus 91 plus 82 plus 91 plus 100 plus 109 comes to 767 again. This blew my mind. Not only was I finding 767 there, I found 767 in the verse of Isaiah chapter 45 verse 7. I form the light and create darkness. I make peace and create evil. I, the Lord, do all these things. Now, as you can see, it's chapter 45 verse 7. So 45 times 7 is 315. As you can see, I calculated the numbers. So 127 is this sentence, 81 is for this sentence, and 108 for this sentence. That equals 316. 315 plus 316 equals 631. And what's 631 plus its mirror, 136? No other than 767. So here's wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast. For it is the number of, and its number is, we don't know. Is this 767 or is it 666? I'll let you decide.